Hi guys, my name is Isaac Kibet. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 series of my one bedroom house tour. I made some few changes since the last video. I'll pin the last video on top. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for the overwhelming responses I got from the previous video. So I hope you enjoyed this one also. So in the previous video, I had a different carpet. I bought a new one. Yeah, you can see my Chesterfield seat, my 3-seater Chesterfield seat. I was having tea. Yeah, I still maintained my my snack bar, and what is a little bit messy. This is my workstation where I work. Yeah, this is my entertainment, my TV, and my TV rack. Yeah, my system. Oh yeah, remember the last video I had a messy shoe rack just below the sink. So now I bought a new shoe rack. I bought it from Odds and Ends. Yeah, I really like this piece because I can accommodate all my shoes. Yeah, so you can see the famous pink shoe is still there. Yeah, it fitted all my shoes. There are some that were not able to fit. I put them somewhere else. Yeah, this is the entrance to my house. Yeah, and as you remember, my house is high ceiling. Yeah, I live on the ground floor. Yeah, and surprise guys, I got a new fridge. It's Bosch. Bosch made from Germany. It's a 258 liter. So I don't know how I'll rearrange my kitchen, but I'll see. The microwave that was on top of the counter, I put it on the fridge, so I'll just see how I'll rearrange the kitchen. Yeah, my meko, my storage units for the kitungus. Yeah, my dispenser. I wanted to change how I dispense my water, so I think I'll buy a dispenser and put it in the living room. Yeah, and remember it's I think it's 8 p.m. Yeah, I wanted you guys to see the balcony, so let me show you. Yeah, so this is the balcony. I told you I live on the ground floor, but I have a balcony. Yeah, as you can see, it's very big. Yeah. Yeah. Back to the kitchen. And close the door. Back to the living room. I really love this carpet. That's me. Yeah, inclusive of the carpet, I got this I can say bathroom rugs. Yeah, for the bathroom. Yeah, bathroom and toilet. I didn't know where to put this one. So I just placed it here, just next to the bedroom door. And as usual, this is my bedroom. My bedroom haina vitu mingi sana, so yeah. Remember the chair that was in the living room? I brought it here. I just wanted to see how I could rearrange the bedroom. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you for showing up again. Let me know what you want to see next time. Have a great evening.